Let's learn how to increase the sound volume of your alarm on iPhone. It's not that difficult and can be done in a few steps, but many people don't know this. So if you want to learn, stay until the end of this video. To increase the alarm volume, you don't need to adjust it here. I'll show you 2 ways to do it. The first way is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. You'll see a gray icon with a gear. When you open the Settings app, a page will open where you'll see the Sounds and Haptics button. Find it. It will be right there on the main page. Once you've found that button, you need to click on it. When you click on the Sounds and Haptics button, a page will open, and at the top of that page, you'll see an option to increase the alarm volume. Just increase it as much as you want. That was the first method. Now let's go to the second one. For the second method to work, you need to open the Settings app again and find Sounds and Haptics. Once you've found it, go into it, and below the volume increase option at the top, you'll see the Change with Buttons option. Turn it on, then you can close Settings, and now you can adjust the volume using the buttons on the left side of your phone. That was the second method. You can use whichever one is easier and suits you better. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.